Say your name.
Adrian Tynes' current-day slavery, the prostitution of our children. Their Michigan Child Protective Service Department of Human Services is already under federal watch for how badly they handle cases. They put children back with rapists. My ex-husband, Dr. Donald Jeffrey Tynes, who know Chief Judge Virgil Smith, my kids repeatedly told about being raped. His co-workers, nurses, patients have complained about his conduct. No one's doing anything about it. He admitted to poisoning me, where I have major health problems. He forged my signature to get my name off of our home, and all that was ignored and more evidence. And Chief Judge Virgil Smith ignored evidence. Attorney General Martin saw what was going on in court. Jeffrey Ehrlichman, attorney for my children, who had stated that they broke the law and it was illegal for them to keep my children from me the way they were doing. And more attorneys even spoke out. The social workers that tried to speak out about corruption going on with my case has got fired off of my case. Teresa Davis, the psychologist and the social worker. Candace Thompson. Anyone that tried to speak out about the corruption going on that was fired off my case was Donna Neal.
$7,600 if they adopt them out.
Sex
That's how
crimes,
much the
Lieutenant
federal
Walden
government
ignored everything, ignored the psychologist Donna Neal reporting that my son Daniel Tynes told that his father raped him. And now my kids are not psychologically doing well. They're submitting to their father and the court when they weren't doing that before. They were abused in foster care. They were threatened. They were intimidated to back down. And all of this was ignored. And then I got put on the central registry by Chief Judge Virgil Smith and the social workers for reporting the crimes, and I committed no crime. So that's injustice right there. Each time that I tried to report the crimes that was going on, social workers failing to report. Prosecutor Jerry Dorsey ignored the children's statement, the evidence, and he stated he spoke to a social worker over the phone who stated my children didn't talk, when it's all in the write-up. The psychologists, the therapists, the social workers, the police write-up that my children do talk. He gave graphic sexual details to the abuse their father, Dr. Donald Jeffrey Tynes, committed against them. He fled to Benton Harbor, Michigan, where he's working at now. He lives in St. Joseph, Michigan. He fathered another baby, and he has a new wife who he abuses. My children shared that with me, and still my children, minor children, were forced to go with their father. When they tried to run away from the foster home after they put them back with their father, they got threatened to get arrested instead of listening to and looking at evidence. Chief Judge Virgil Smith blocked my evidence, as police investigator Evans stated, obstruction of justice and blocking the criminal proceedings. And therefore, the prosecutor, Jerry Dorsey, ignored evidence instead of doing a deep, thorough investigation of our case. And they lied and stated they investigated our case, and I found out that they did not. It's a lot that's going on that they're ignoring and putting kids back in danger, and they're creating new predators for society. And it's this attorney Leon Cozio in New York stated it's the prostitution of our children in the court system, and even how they blocked my financial source when my ex-husband was supposed to pay me a settlement through our divorce. All of that got blocked, where he even forged my signature to get my name off our property. All blocked.
Okay then, well thank you. This seems like much of the same what we've been hearing all morning here. Thank you so much.